In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a picture transparent in PowerPoint. This is a simple feature that can make a huge difference when you're designing presentations, adding background images, or creating stylish visual effects. To get started, open PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to work on. Then head over to the slide that contains the image you'd like to edit. Click directly on the picture to select it. Once the image is selected, you'll notice a new tab appear at the top of the screen called Picture Format. This tab gives you access to all the image editing tools in PowerPoint. Now click on Picture Format and look for the option called Transparency. When you select it, PowerPoint will display several preset transparency levels that you can instantly apply to your image. Hover over the different options to preview how your image will look. You can choose a light transparency for a subtle effect or a stronger one if you want the image to fade more into the background. If the preset options don't look exactly right, you can also customize the transparency manually. This gives you more control so you can create the perfect balance between your image and the rest of your slide content in PowerPoint. Using transparent images is a great way to make text easier to read, create layered designs, or give your presentation a polished appearance without overwhelming your audience. Once you're happy with the result, make sure to save your presentation so your changes stay in place. And that's how you make a picture transparent in PowerPoint. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tutorials.